Right, this is just an initial report for you, Marek, Amber and Marie. We're up on the roof here. Now, we've been in the loft and it's still wet underneath this deck here behind the front chimney. I know your main problem's this rear chimney, I know that, but we looked at this as well. Okay, so we found damp underneath here and also around the side there, on your side, Marek, and we've not found it here as it happens on Marie's side. So we've measured, we've lifted a couple of these tiles here, and if I lift this tile, I won't demonstrate because I'm shooting a video, and then measure how much they overlap each other here, the minimum is 75 mil. That's what they should overlap by, and that is this particular tile manufacturer's minimum specification. The technical term, they call it the headlap. Okay, so 75 is your minimum. These are 60, barely 60. So the reason for that, now we're going to lift it and show you. There we go. That one's slightly more. Was it that one we lifted?
No. Yeah, that's
80.
Lower.
Which one was it we lifted? Try one of these, yeah, try that. I'm not telling lies here, yeah, see, it's just under 60. Okay, so some of them are correct, you've just seen that one's correct. Some of them are under what they should be. So what does that actually mean? What it means is that when you get wind and rain together and it's in the appropriate direction, it blows it up and under and it comes in, and then it hits the underfelt and it runs down. Now, all roofs leak to some extent, and you do expect that, but this will be worse because of the design error when it's been constructed. Now, there's not a lot we can do about that. The underfelt will catch it and it will run down the roof, and if it's correctly lapped here, it will run onto the lead. Clearly we have a problem here because it's not running onto the lead. So what I recommend is that we remove a section of roof here. We're going to check for damage in the felt and repair any damage, and then we're going to relap this correctly. Broken tiles like that one there and this one here, which are obviously letting water in, they need to be corrected. Now, even though we've got an obvious leak there, it shouldn't actually come into the loft because the underfelt should catch it. So yes, we'll replace that. Yes, we'll replace that. And I don't know if you can see there, there's one, what's called an underlap missing there. So yeah, that needs to be replaced as well. But the main problem, I think, is underneath here, so we need to take a section off. I would recommend that we also do this side on Marek's side, because there was damp further along there. I would strongly recommend we do that. We've got some tiles here that could do with replacing as well. This one here, it's been addressed, that problem, it's kicked. Somebody's filled that, so I think that should come off. Now, to the little bit of bad news, I'm afraid. We can't climb up there, it's too steep and it's too slippy today because of the ice. And we can't bring our roof ladders up because of the danger to us there. If we go over there, we can slip and fall. So we need to bring our big ladders up there and then bring roof ladders round here to go up and inspect the rear chimney. So sadly, we can't get to that today. I'm sorry. So we'll schedule that for another day, and we'll give you a report on that at a later date. That's all I can tell you for now.